Okay, so I absolutely love streaming boxes. It's like having your favorite movies, TV shows, and videos and more right at your fingertips. That costs only one price. That's right, no recurring fees, no monthly bills and stuff like that. So check this out, right? I've been using the Unbox TV box, right? The Ubox 12 for a few weeks, and it's been amazing. Let me talk about it. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. So let's get right into it, right? Let's unbox it and see what it's all about and go from there. Ooh, so it is nice. Nice. So this is a lot slimmer than I thought it would be. Okay, put that to the side there. Move this box over. Let's see what else kind of goodies we get in the box. All right, so we have the user guide. We have some stuff in a different language. We are getting some accessories here. Okay, we're getting the remote control. Okay, and going from there. So when we take the remote control out, look, it's all white. I like this, all white, everything. And take all that off. Remote control is nice and solid. Okay. And let's see what else kind of accessories we get in the box here. We get the power plug. All white everything. Oh yeah. So everything matches, y'all. Oh, don't tell me this is a white HDMI. Oh, yes. So we got a white HDMI. Oh yeah. I'm loving that so far. I'm loving that. So the Ubox 12 is an Android streaming TV box that has 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage. It's rocking the H16 processor with Android 12 to boot. Now it comes with the remote, the keyboard remote. That's fantastic, by the way. I mean, absolutely fantastic. Now I support 6K Ultra output. Now the Ubox 12 has dual band Wi-Fi 6 support, and it comes all complete in the box. I will leave all product links down in the description below. But let's talk more about the Unbox Tech TV streaming box. All right, so you do have your LAN port. I got this on Wi-Fi right now, but you do got your LAN port, you got your HDMI, you got your AV port, and you have USB here and USB here, and the memory card slot here. Now, one of the good things that I like about this is that you have a glowing light all around, kind of give it a nice, beautiful presentation, which is really nice. And underneath, you do have a mounting ports here if you want to mount this. And you got a nice little pretty color at the bottom too. Also, you got your vents. But yeah, it's very slim, very minimalistic, which is nice. Okay, so let me go ahead and explain how this box works. Now, I reviewed a couple of boxes here on this YouTube channel. One of the things that I want to mention about this specific box is that it's catered to all languages around the world. It's pretty much a lot of stuff is in Chinese, but I'm kind of simplified so you can be really, really cool about if you're going to use this box. Okay, so again, due to some of the copyright issues with YouTube, I can't play movies and stuff like that. Only thing I could do is talk through it. But I am going to go through some of the menus. All right, so here it is. Again, a lot of this stuff is in different languages, but you know, it's not just made for the United States. It's made for, you know, Chinese, Vietnam, all different kinds of different countries, which is nice. So, but when you boot it up and when you set it up for the first time, you if you are in the United States or if you're in, you know, different countries, you set up your language. So once you set up your language, you pretty much good to go here. It's going to kind of, you know, give you the language that you set up with. So one of the things that I have is you know, going through the menu system, you have popular, some of the popular apps. And one of the things I do want to mention that, you know, you have 2 app stores. You have the Play Store, which you can download, you know, applications from the Play Store, and you have their version of the App Store, which you download some of the stuff here. Now, I can tell you right now, It's about 3 or 4 apps, maybe 5 apps that I would highly recommend if you're in the United States, because a lot of these applications are in different languages. But yeah, so you have your popular section. I have my favorites, which I put some of my favorites here, which is the Up TV, Up Live, YouTube, HD Theater, the app market, Smart Beta, Smart Tube Beta, Miracast, which is nice because if you have a laptop or if you have a device that you can Miracast to this thing, you could do that using the Miracast receiver. And you do have some advertisement, right? Obviously they're trying to sell this box. You have the app marketplace. Then you have a browser. So you do have a browser here if you want to go on the internet, and you can actually use a keyboard. That's one of the unique things about having a keyboard is that once you plug the keyboard in, you could type in everything that you want. And so that's pretty nice when it comes down to the keyboard. And I'm gonna tell you some of the apps that I would highly recommend, especially in the United States, is Up Live 3. And let me show you. And when you click on it, you open it. Now the boot up time is not so bad, but yeah, you do have all your movies here. And again, you pick your language, right? And you do have, different languages and stuff like that, sports documentary, children and Chinese and China and stuff like that. So that works out very well. So that's going to be that. Up Live 3. I would recommend that app because it shows live TV, and you could definitely find a good TV show to watch. Okay, Up Video. What is that? Yeah, it's Up. Let me go back to it. Popular. Up Vid 2.0. Again, I would recommend this one. It's because you have a lot of good stuff here. Film. This is going to be your movies. Right here is going to be your TV dramas, right? So all your TV shows. So you have right here, you have the film is going to be your movies, and TV drama is going to be like your TV shows, like House of the Dragon and stuff like that, Game of Thrones. You do have documentaries and cartoons and stuff like that. But you got a variety of stuff like that. Okay, so when you go to the film, I would highly recommend this, all right? I would search for your movies, right? Because it have so many movies, so many TV shows, and you just get, overwhelmed with so much. So I would highly recommend that if you buy this and you're looking for a specific movie or TV show, just type it in, okay? And once you type it in, you're good to go. Let's say, for instance, I'm a Star Trek fan, Star Wars fan. So, let me go on and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Instead of me trying to find Star Wars and Star Trek, I just put in a few texts and boom, here we go. Now, here it is, all the Star Wars movies, Star Wars, Star Trek. Okay, so I'm good to go here. Anything that I want to watch pertaining to Star Wars or Star Trek, all I got to do is type it in. It's going to give me a whole list, a host of movies, and I can watch them right here. And the quality, again, it supports 6K Ultra HD. So the quality of it is just amazing. If you have a good 4K TV or monitor, or if you got 6K or 8K TV, it's going to look fantastic. Now, again, throughout the UI, you're going to see a lot of Chinese wording and stuff like that. That's the only thing that you have to contend with when using this box, is that throughout the UI, you're going to be plagued with, Chinese wording in different languages and stuff like that, mixed up with the English. But if you could get beyond that part, the experience is really good. And the start time, they say the start time for a movie is really good. And one of the things I do like, and I'm gonna pause this again. I don't want I get hit with any kind of copyright there, so I pause that a little bit. Let's see if I can pause that. Okay, I'll pause that because I don't want to get hit with any copyright. But as you get a preview of the movie playing before you make it large, you do have previews of other movies in the same category, which is really nice. Again, you just got to bypass some of the Chinese wording because you're definitely going to see a lot of it going in and out the UI. But once you get accustomed and kind of bypass some of the other languages, the footage that you're looking for is going to be right here. I'm a Star Trek and a Star Wars fan. So, I love to watch Star Trek Generations, First Contact, Insurrection, Nemesis, Star Trek, Into Darkness, Beyond, Section 31. This is, I actually haven't saw Section 31 yet, so I will kind of put that in my favorites to kind of check it out. But again, they got Tron Legacy. That's all in the same genre. All I did was type in Star. I didn't even type in Star Wars or Star Trek, and so you don't necessarily have to type out the whole word for the search for some of the things that you're looking for. Now I do have YouTube, and YouTube is really good. I like YouTube, and obviously you watching me on YouTube, so you can kind of download the YouTube app, and there you go, right? And again, the YouTube stuff come up pretty good, and look at the quality. Like I really want to show you guys like some of this quality here. See if I can show you guys that. Okay, the way the camera is kind of blurring out some of the background, but the quality of some of this stuff is absolutely amazing, man. Some of the things that's really nice with this complete layout, if you scroll to the side here, you just get to just a multitude of different applications. You can change your theme. You got your trash, you got your customer service, you got your gallery. Again, if you have any photos or anything, that they got some pre-installed photos right there. If you want to take a look at that, videos, if you have videos, saved on the device, you got music, you got just a host of applications here. I really do like that it's color coordinated. When they send you the white one, it comes with the white remote, it comes with everything. Now batteries is not included, just so you know, so you won't get no batteries with this, but it works fine. The processor is great, the image quality is great, the price is right for what you get, and over the long run you will save a lot. All right, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. And I love doing this type of stuff, man. This is Eric the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Ubox 12 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.